Hello guys, welcome to the stream. That's the actually I am but network is slow guys. Please complete the live target guys. Welcome to the stream guys. That's the yes started trade guys. I'm not live, but that's the trade was tap our level and it's playing like the 350 pips. Okay, so let's start the stream today. So that's the pending level was right down here. So that's a good level, 1 hour A plus buying area. Why was selling come to this area? You will be understand that the 1 hour and the 30-minute A plus selling area is that, and so price was tap this zone and price was sell from here. Okay, and that's the investment. So that's now the selling area. So price will be again to sell these areas and price will be pulled back from this zone. So that's the reversal area. So we are trade on this area. Okay, guys. So let's start this the analyzing. Sorry. Welcome to the stream, guys. Sorry for this. I'm not on my streaming, and I'm told you that. So you can see this also. One thing I'm reversing. You will understand. So you will see that that's our good buying area is that, and that's our good buying area. The price was goes from here. You can see that's the trade was there. That's the good. That's the level I will giving in my the weekly analysis video. I see you will be see this. So that's the playing with the very more than 350 pips. I am also share with my the Telegram community with this the trade with this the level also. That's the pure good confirmations that will judge will be continuation. So I'll be entering for this trade and it will be giving the easily 350 pips in this the row. Okay, that's the big one correction because that's the zone was that. So you'll be understanding the strategy. So you easily hold your trade also. Okay. So why the price was sell from here, we also be understand that. So that's now our A plus 30 minute or 1 hour. You can see this. That's the A plus 30 minute and the 1 hour selling area. So price will be sell from here, and that's the pending A plus buying area for the 1 hour. So price will be continuation at this time, and that's the liquidity created. But I will wait for our level, and it will be come to this area. So that's our reversal also called on this zone. So otherwise we are waiting for our good level. But that's the now the first trade I will taken in the stream and the day is the only the my first trade is that, so I will wait for my level with the very patiently. So that's why I am coming. So we are, I think we are coming some fast, but the setup will be handled with my own. So that's why I'm the not uh, defining it very fast. Okay. What's happened? Like you told me, what's your bias for that gold today? My bias is the very bullish for gold. You also told about your bias. I think what you told about, I'm also start the poll. what you told about the gold was going to today's all-time high, or either it's some showing the some selling there and the some inducement. क्या सोचते हो तुम, जो गोल्ड आज ऊपर भागेगा क्या, ये नीचे शॉर्ट होगा, थोड़ा प्राइस को इंड्यूस करेगा, और जो नीचे तो ग्रैब बायर्स की लिक्विडिटी है वो स्वाइप करेगा? क्या तुम्हारा प्रेडिक्ट है मार्केट को लेकर? आज मेरा तो बायस पूरा एकदम बुलिश साइड का है गोल्ड में. So I'll only find my the buying entries is that already I mark it, and I also I am share with my the Telegram community also this. So I am definitely trade about this area. So you please like and subscribe our channel, and go share my stream, and you can like that. So what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So this MSN live was today. We are trading pure the price action and the liquidity. So no indicators and no response. Okay, no nonsense. We are don't trade with the any indicator. So if we are tied to lagging indicators, and the point we understand the how the institution really moves the market, this stream is only for you. Okay, so I will be break down the live market structure, liquidity graphs, stop funds, and the sniper entries in real time. So that's why I am live in today's, and it's everything will be access was free. You definitely join with my group also. So that's good for you, I think. Please like this channel, guys. Subscribe fast. So you complete the, that's the challenge also start on. That's the 500 likes was complete. So I will be 500 likes of the 500 subscriber was complete on this the January end. So I will be give away the $100 account for the our best subscriber and the commenters. Okay, that's the who's regularly coming to this the live stream, and actually who really want for the learning the trading, it's serious about your her life. So that's the opportunity for the guy, guys. Okay, so so guys, I am clearly told you this education, this is the video streaming is the only the education and the not the financial advice. Okay, trade at your own risk, and I am told you that's देखो ये जो आप ये सबका चैनल है, ये फ्री का चैनल है. जिसके पास पैसा नहीं है, जिसको जानने का कुछ जरूरत है, उसका जो बुक है उसका, उसके लिए ये चैनल है. वो लाइव आ जो भी ये लाइव आएगा इधर, वो कमेंट जो लाइक एक कमेंट और सब्सक्राइबर फुल कंप्लीट करेगा 500 का इस जनवरी एंड तक, तो मैं एक $100 का अकाउंट गिव अवे करूंगा. ओके, सो आई थिंक दैट्स गुड फॉर यू. सो that's the before we start, I like you please like that's the stream, subscribe, and stay till the end, because I will explain why the price move before the actually moves. Okay, so let's start it. Let's first understand the where we are in the market, because without the context entering the gambling. Okay, to understand that first, we are in the some you can going with the 1 minute, so you'll be understand that the price was sell from this the A plus, that's the A plus selling zone, and also it's called the order block. It's you called about this the order block also. The price was selling from there, so that's now the order block also. Understand, guys? That the selling was coming from there. This is the selling. If the good selling will be come from the sale was down, so that's the more than 200 pips selling from this the zone. So I am already trade about the morning, so I definitely sort the market here, because that's my zone for this the setup, and setup will be very clearly told me. And my setup मेरा जो सेटअप इधर बन रहा था, ये मुझको बोल रहा था अच्छे से कि इधर में शॉर्ट करने के लिए मार्केट को, ये मेरा जोन था शॉर्ट करने का. सो मैं इधर जरूर शॉर्ट करता मार्केट को, बट मैं आज थोड़ा बाहर था, इसलिए ट्रेड नहीं किया था बाहर से. लेकिन ये देखो ना, ये कैसा अच्छा प्ले हुआ है, 200 पी ये गिरा है इधर से. तो मार्केट इधर से रिवर्स हो गया, इधर से ये सब स्मॉल ऑर्डर ब्लॉक एंड द बीजीस वाज प्लेइंग हियर. सो यू कैन सी दिस दैट्स तो तुम लोग देख ही सकते हो, इधर पे एक बीच था तो मार्केट इसको फील किया, तो इधर से मार्केट उठ रहा है, उठा उठा उठा, इधर पे ऑर्डर ब्लॉक था, इससे सेल हुआ, ये फिर से उठा है, इधर पे ऑर्डर ब्लॉक जोन था, ये फिर से टैप हुआ, ये कॉन्फर्मेशन देके फिर से गिरा है, देखो कितना ज़्यादा. So that's the playing with the every time, but we are not trade like the every time this trade. We are capturing the good movements and the good side moves. Okay, we are capturing the sniper entries. We are not trade like this, but that's a good move also. We are trading on this, so that's already good move. But we are playing with the very big sharp move for this market, the because the gold is now the very volatile at this time right now. Okay, so um, we have find that's our zone. And anyone interested about this, so any ask me about any question about this show. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. That's the tier to buying area, and that's also the golden chip zone. Okay. I am also told about this the area for I'll already send in my the Telegram group. So it's I'll send in the something 2:30 or 2 p.m. also I'm sending in my group. Okay. That's the Indian Standard Time. So top down bias is my only bullish, and that's why some inducement will be come from here. So it's a normal thing. So that's the buying area. We are wait for that. You can see this. That's a 50 minute also good zone. So we are waiting for our areas. Okay, we are don't trade anything. So let's wait for this our trade. That's a not that's a not enough time is that. So it's only the 7:12. That's not very late. Please complete the live target, guys. Please share with your friends and subscribe this channel. This channel was only for you. That's a very educational channel, guys. It's no any fucking thing will be sharing with you. इधर पे कोई बकचोदी नहीं चलता है, जो भी चलता है रियल कंटेंट चलता है, रियल लेवल चलता है, रियल ट्रेड चलता है एंड लाइव ट्रेड चलता है। और मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि तुम्हारे लिए कुछ कुछ छोटा 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 इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो लेके आऊँ, लेकिन तुम लोग नहीं देखते। तो देखते देखते ना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, ये एजुकेशन पर्पस के लिए सब कुछ। मैं खुद के नहीं, ये खुद से भी तुम्हारे लिए सोचता हूँ, तुम लोग मेरे लिए नहीं सोचते हो। Please complete the live target, guys. That's a really good stream. No one can tell me in the whole YouTube community like this the things. Everyone, the big streamer will be here in this industry, but it don't one can telling you this like because there are only course. That's a paid course. So I have no course. I am only giving you for this the things. I have a good course than good strategy. That's not course. That's the strategy I have for the NYC and the London sessions strategy. That's the top down. It's the 1:3 is the very easily you can give that. The 1:2 is the very easily you can earn from this the strategy. Every single fucking time you initiate the order, the more than 98% chance was you will be profitable with the 30 pips. You risk only the 1:1, so only the 98% you will be profitability is very much. What is the 98%? तुम अगर वो स्ट्रेटेजी यूज करोगे ना एनवाईसी लर्नर में, तुम सोचो कि तुम्हारा रिस्क है 30 पिप्स का। ओके, तुम्हारा टारगेट 30 पिप्स का होना चाहिए, तुम्हारा जो रिस्क फ्री है। तो तुम उससे 900 यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट योर हम तुमको बताते हैं। तो तुम्हारा रिस्क है $30 का। ओके, दैट $30 का तुम्हारा रिस्क है। एंड तुम्हारा प्रॉफिट भी तुम्हारा प्रॉफिट है 1:2, मतलब वो $60 हो गया। ओके, एंड योर 1:3 मतलब है $90। ओके, दैट्स द 1:3 ट्रेड। So we'll understand the risk management on this some small about this. So you will be risk, that's your risk, That's your risk, the $30, and it is your profit. That's your profit. Okay. It's the profit. That's the profit. Okay. So you can set the, you can every time on this the stream. So you will be reach the $30 and price move the $30. The your SL point is that, okay, and your entry point is that. So you can lose the $30 here. Okay, that is your loss, and that's your $30 profits. So that's my strategy. That's my strategy. Every time do the same thing. That's the 1:1. That's called 1:1. Okay, that's the fucking thing I am the understood you that very well, because that's the marker will be some, and open my pen. So that's for good to understanding you. You understand this very thing. That's a very much important things for the time. Okay, that's a very important thing. So guys, you understand that things. So you think about your risk is the $30. Okay, your risk is that. That is your risk, and your target for the 30. So $30. So it's called the 1:1. Okay. So the and 1:3 for 1:2 and 1:3. What is that? Then the price was your target for the $60, and that's the, so 1:3 for your target was the $90. You will be understand that. So you understand one thing. So you can understand. You will be, ये समझो इधर, the price और इधर से आता है तो लिक्विडिटी स्विप के ये तुमको कॉन्फर्मेशन देता है, तो इधर पे तुम्हारा एंट्री बनता है. ओके. सो तुम इधर क्या करोगे? तो इधर पे तुम्हारा एंट्री आएगा ना, इधर पे तुम्हारा एंट्री बनेगा. ये तुम्हारा एंट्री पॉइंट हो गया. ओके. It is your entry points. So you risk, $30 risk किए इधर. So price was usually given every time of 30 plus momentum. You can, that's the price easily give the 30 pips in my strategy. So I am told about this thing. So you can going with the 1:1. It's the very goodly apply for this strategy. It's the more than good profitability is the very high. It's going for the 1:5, 1:3. It's very good profitability, and it's the more than chance will be very much here. But I'm told you that's the strategy. That's my strategy every time work the these things. That's the every time work the 30 pips. Every level was giving this 30 pips. But our grid one time will be not satisfied with this the 30 pips. So we are waiting for this the more than 45 pips, because I will reach the 30 pips. So that's the enemy for our trade. Okay, that's the very virus for our trade. It's the, you can going with the strategy I am giving you already. You told about my comment section, so I definitely told about the स्ट्रेटेजी आई एम, मैं तुम लोगों के लिए ये स्ट्रेटेजी अलग से बना के लेके भी आऊँगा. तुम लोगों को पसंद है तो ये स्ट्रेटेजी जानना है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करो. जो भी देख रहे हो, ये तुम्हारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. तुम देख लेना मेरा प्रीवियस प्रीवियस ट्रेड में जाकर, मेरा जो एंट्री लेवल्स होता है, इधर पे एंट्री होता है ना, मैं 25 से लेकर 35 तक, और कुछ कुछ लेवल में जिधर टारगेट बड़ा बनता है उधर मैं 50 की भी रिस्क कर देता हूँ. तो मेरा 50 पीस यदि रिस्क करता हूँ, तो मैं जब प्राइस 50 पीस में आता है, उधर से मेरा एंट्री प्राइस से जब प्राइस 50 पीस में आता है ना, जो ये 50 पीस प्राइस मुझे देता है, सो तो मैं मेरा 50% बुक कर लेता हूँ उधर. 50% मैं बुक कर लेता हूँ. सो दैट्स, इससे क्या होता है, मेरा मेरा रिस्क फ्री हो जाता है. So that's called the risk free trade. So that's why I'm entering with this trade. I'm told you guys that's the price of giving the risk free. So you'll be accept your risk free. So that's the risk free called. So you going with this and our strategy as that like. So it's the very much will be is it's the 100 time you can going with this our strategy. 98 times price was giving you this the same thing. 30 pips already every time it's a giving. It's the 30 pips plus many times. It's the given and the price was moved and that's level was not respected. So it will be 30 pips from the price was down. But you can see this the every time that's the price move more than 30 pips. That's the pips was moved. So that's the 30 pips momentum every time for my levels. I will mark that levels in the charts. So every time the 30 pips it's given. सो मैं जब जब मेरा चार्ट में ये लेवल मार्क करता हूँ जब 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 मेरा जो एंट्री बनता है और मेरा जो जोन बनता है ट्रेड करने का उधर से प्राइस हर वक्त 30 पिप्स देता है ठीक है वो जाता नहीं है उधर से वो रिवर्सल हो जाता है ठीक है लेकिन प्राइस पहले प्रॉफिट में जाता है उससे वो उसके बाद वो मेरा डायरेक्शन के खिलाफ चला जाता है वो मान सकते हैं लेकिन प्राइस हर वक्त जाता है सो तुम उसको 30 पिप्स कर लोगे ना रिस्क भी कर लोगे तो उसका रिस्क ही बचेगा नहीं उसका रिस्क ही बचता नहीं है वो प्राइस स्ट्रेटेजी में ये प्राइस बार बार वो यही दोहराता है तुम 100 100 बार ट्रेड लोगे ना तुमको 98 बार ये थिंग होगा तो तुम्हारा विन रेट इधर से आता है ना 98% इसका विन रेट आता है इस स्ट्रेटेजी का विन रेट आता है 98% with this the same formula you can apply in this market so that's why already giving the 98 every time understand that. So that's the strategy part. So you will be understand the strategy. No, I definitely told you guys. No one can told you that this free thing in the YouTube community because that's the paid coursing and the good the knowledge education is the higher education for the trading. It's the very depth knowledge will be guys. That's the not simple the small knowledge. It's the very depthly knowledge I'm told you. That's the very deep market knowledge. You can trading about the everyday. So you will be understand what am I to telling to you and what the intermediate traders and so you will be also understand how much it's profitability for you. So you can understand one thing that okay. So I'm told you again okay. So you think you trade with the $100. That is your trade margin. That is your margin for this one trade. Okay, you will be risk the $100. So how many can you risk? So you will be risk above this the trade 1:2, either 1:3. So how much 1:3 1:3 मतलब क्या होता है? So तुम इधर 100 डॉलर लगाओगे ना इधर $100 इधर पे $100 इनिशिएट हो गया ओके तुम्हारा लेकिन तुमको रिस्क करना है किधर इधर पे तुम रिस्क किए $20 ओके ले तो तुम्हारा ये कितना आ गया 2 हो गया 2 2% का तुमने रिस्क ले लिया इधर पे 20% का रिस्क ले लिया है ओके $20 तुम रिस्क कर रहे हो उधर सो $100 का सो $20 तुम्हारा चला जाएगा ये ट्रेड नहीं चलेगा तो ये इधर से ब्लीच कर जाएगा ना तुम्हारा ये चला जाएगा लेकिन ये $20 तुम्हारा है लेकिन इधर से प्राइस तुम्हारे डायरेक्शन में चला गया तो इधर पे ये $20 का मोमेंटम दे दिया ना इधर पे $20 का अपसाइड में मेरे हम लोगों का डायरेक्शन के तरफ ये मूव दे दिया ना 20 पिप का सो इधर पे ये 1:1 हो गया इसको 1:1 कहते हैं ये इधर से हम लोग हाफ लॉट बुक कर देंगे ना तो ये इधर पे रिस्क भी कर देंगे तो इधर पे हमारा प्राइस $10 प्रॉफिट में आ जाएगा इधर पे जो $20 रिस्क किए थे ये कम होके $10 में आ जाएगा बिकॉज ऑफ द पावर ऑफ द 1:1 वी आर गोइंग विद द सेम रिस्क but we are reduce the some profit risk but we are you can shift and that's your the $20 risk you can give here so then your $20 risk so you can only the $10 risk here so अभी तुम्हारे पास $10 का रिस्क है तुम इधर से तुम्हारा $10 का रिस्क को तुम $5 में शिफ्ट कर दोगे ना तुम्हारे पास तब भी $10 रह जाएगा तो ये प्राइस तुम्हारे खिलाफ आ जाएगा तब तुम्हारा $5 प्रॉफिट हो जाएगा इसको कहते हैं रिस्क फ्री करना ओके दैट्स द 1:1 हमारा ट्रेड हर वक्त 1:1 1:2 देता ही देता है ओके लेकिन ये हर देखो इसमें 100% कोई सही नहीं होता है 100% कोई सही नहीं होता है ट्रेडिंग में ओके इधर में 20% भी जाता है ना 80% यू कैन गोइंग विद द 60% to 56% sorry for this You can going with the 56% win rate will be you have in the trading journey. You have a good profitable trader, guys, with your risk management. With your risk management you will be understand जी ये ट्रेडिंग में इधर में जो तुम्हारा जो 56 से $60 60% का विन रेट भी आता है ना, ये बहुत अच्छा माना जाता है ट्रेडिंग में, सो अच्छा है। सो विल बी दैट्स टाइम क्या हुआ, तो इधर देखो तो 1:1 मिल गया, हम लोग रिस्क फ्री कर दिया, इधर इधर पे हम लोगों ने रिस्क फ्री कर दिया। ओके, दैट्स वी आर रिस्क फ्री ऑन दिस एरिया। ओके, so that's now we are risk free. So we are reducing the $10 risk into the $5 that I have now the $5 risk, $5 risk at this time right now. So that's the $20 risk was go down. So we are hold our trade for the goodly. So you can that time the price was profitability was $10. So price giving the at this time more than 100. That's the 20. So your target is the 100 pips. Okay, that's your target is the 100 pips. So price already giving at the 20%. That's a 20 pips move. So price was already done the 20 piece move, so more than the 80% was remaining. So you will be you will be going with the more than 80%. So your risk will be 10, you will be going the $10 profit in the same last 18 pips. So 10 into 18, so equal to how many? 10 into 8, so 8 into 800 pips. Okay, that's mean the $80 profits in your the same risk reward ratios. Understand that, guys? So you will be $80 profit on these areas. The five, understand that. So you will be doing like this. So that's the $80 profit with the $10. So you will be 80 pips, $80 profits. That's the 80 pips will be. So that's called $80 profits on this time. Otherwise, you can go with the $20 full. So you can the $200. So your the risk was the reduced. So your profit was some reduced, but you will be very risk free on that time. So you will be hold your trade with the very easily from this strategy. So you will be understand and know this strategy. So definitely you will be told me I definitely another separate video coming with coming for you। तो तुमको ये अच्छा लगेगा तो मैं तुम्हारे लिए ये वीडियो ज़रूर अलग से बना के लेके आऊँगा इस स्ट्रेटेजी का। एंड ये हर वक्त एनवाईसी लंदन सेशन में ही प्ले होता है बहुत अच्छे से। इवन कि एशिया सेशन में भी होता है, लेकिन मैं एशिया सेशन में ट्रेड नहीं करता, उधर पे वॉल्यूम ज़्यादा कम रहता है। तो लंदन सेशन में तो बहुत ही अच्छा होता है ट्रेड करने का टाइम। लेकिन जब अभी एनवाईसी सेशन तो ओजी भी है, ये ट्रेड करने में तुमको बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्क करना पड़ेगा अभी। जो गोल्ड ऐसा मूव करता है ना एनआईसी सीजन में, ये सब बीस्ट जैसा बीस्ट मूव करता है इधर। सो दैट्स अ वेरी risky for the some beginners traders. So you can be professional and intermediate. So you will be trade obviously the NYC season is the very friendly for the every traders, professional traders, not for the beginners. Because beginners were coming in this time, so you will be fuck up the market because who knows the NYC season what is that? Okay, so I am last analysis about this level. Okay, so you will understand that why I am mark on this time. Okay, we are going with the 4 hour. Okay, so 4 hour. So you can see this. So you can see this height. That's the 4 hour. We are in the 4 hour. Okay, so 4 hour. That time we are see this one thing. 4 hour have a no top week. That's have a no top week. There will no top week. There were no top week, so it's inducing the price up to come to our area. It will be reversal from this zone to creating the key stop week, and either that's the today's highest liquidity also here. So price was and previous day highest liquidity is that. So price gave the liquidity and create a new all-time high. That's our target for this my plan, and that's the pullback is the inducement also called. So I am waiting for this the inducement, and you can see this that's the selling will be come from the yesterday night. Okay, that's a more than big correction for the price, and I'm told you that's also the 500 zone is that. So that's the price was respect this zone. Up to this zone, I will be see this the how the market will be react. So it's a pullback from this area. So well, definitely I will increase my this area. Either I am wait for the again 5,000 zone, okay, because that's the good area for the gold. That's the analysis for the 4 hour. You can understand that. You can see this. That's the 4 hour candle open in the wonder chart. So it's creating some lower wick for that first, and it will be pullback from here. That's my expectation. You can see this already do the ये स्टार्ट हो चुका है जो मैंने चाहता हूँ मेरा प्लान की तरह भी चल रहा है ये थोड़ा प्राइस नीचे आ जाएगा ना मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा होगा यू कैन सी दिस 1 आवर ऑल्सो दिस 1 आवर में ये ए प्लस है गाइस देख लो ये 1 मिनट में टैप हो चुका है लेकिन इसका जो लिक्विडिटी बनता है ना इधर ये जो न्यू बायर्स इधर घुसा है ये लिक्विडिटी है बायर्स का सो इसको वाइप कर दे स्वीप कर दे प्राइस इसको प्राइस इसका ये जो बायर्स का लिक्विडिटी है ये स्वीप करके ये सेलर्स का लिक्विडिटी लेके ये ऊपर भाग जाए एंड ये ऊपर का जो एशियन सेशन और प्रीवियस यस्टरडे का जो न्यूयॉर्क का हाईएस्ट का लिक्विडिटी है ये ग्रैब कर ली ये मेरा सिंपल सा प्लान है ट्रेड में तो इससे ही मैं जाऊंगा इस प्लान में मैं एकदम एकदम क्या बोलता है ना उसे एकदम सही रहूंगा इससे मैं डायरेक्शन मेरा बदलने का नहीं यही होगा सिर्फ Okay, wait for our this level, and it is now that's the 5 minute level have, and it's already two time tap. I think that the price was playing with the buyers here because that's the liquidity creation. I think price will be selling off from ये प्राइस खेल रहा है देखो ना ये बायर्स को इधर से इनवाइट किया है प्राइस इधर से उठा है लेकिन प्राइस इंस्टेंटली ये गिरा भी है तो इधर पे ये बायर्स का लिक्विडिटी स्वीप प्राइस ने ऑलरेडी कर लिया लेकिन ये बायर्स का लिक्विडिटी ऑलरेडी इधर है ये बायर्स का तो लिक्विडिटी है ना गाइस टोल मी ये तो बायर्स का लिक्विडिटी है so I want the price was sweep this liquidity so price that's our the a plus buying area is that so ये हमारा ए प्लस बाइंग जोन भी है so ये इधर पे प्राइस का लिक्विडिटी भी है so प्राइस इजीली आ भी सकता है ये 1 आवर का कैंडल भी ओपन हो चुका है so we are waiting for our 1 hour candle bottom wick okay so that's the trade the new week and it's the any kind of choke area that's the first 1 minute choke will be have so I'm told you again at this time the same my plan same on my plan I'm same on my plan the 1 minute short will be have and price was the some pullback any kind of areas and I'm definitely interest for the good buying side capturing the good buying side entries. Okay, the same thing will be happen because that's the liquidity here. So price sweep the liquidity and create any type of green candle here. This level price create a good candle here. So I definitely initiate my the buying orders on this zone and this candle low is my SL. So because I have not taken the any kind of trades from the morning, so I will take the first trade at this time. So I am waiting for the very patiently. Okay, so that's my level. I am explaining. I think you will be understand what is my plan and what am why एंड किस लिए मैंने वेट कर चुका हूँ यू कैन सी दिस दैट्स द ये बायर्स का बजा रहा है गोल्ड अभी ओके ये जो बायर्स बैठा है ना इधर नया बायर्स जोन लेके ये बीजी फील हो गया प्राइस टैप कर लिया प्राइस जा रहा था ये बायर्स को अभी बजाएगा देखो कैसे ये 5 मिनट का ऑर्डर जोन है ओके मानते हैं लेकिन ये मेरे लिए नॉट इसमें मैं नहीं ट्रेड करूंगा लेकिन क्यों नहीं करूंगा ये देखो इसका हिडन ऑर्डर ब्लॉक इधर पे नीचे है so I'm not going with this it will be goes for me I have no issue I am only trade about this candle highs ओके प्राइस इधर से उड़ भी जाएगा ना तब मैं ट्रेड करने वाला हूँ इसके ऊपर अदरवाइज मैं नहीं ट्रेड करूंगा ओके दिस जोन के अंदर ये तो जोन बन रहा है ना यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस ये तो जोन बन रहा है ये तो जोन बन रहा है इसमें मैं नहीं ट्रेड करूंगा इधर पे ट्रेड जो भी करेगा ये मार्केट ओनली ट्रैप करेगा ये जो देखो ना ये बायर का स्टॉप फंड हो रहा है अभी ये ओनली स्टॉप फंड हो रहा है इसको स्टॉप फंड लेगा प्राइस ऑफ न्यू क्रिएट शार्प मूव फ्रॉम दिस अपसाइड I definitely told you that's the thing will be happen right now here it will be happen so we are going with our plan it's not happened so we are be waiting for our another plan so that's that time will be told about that you will be stay with us please like and subscribe you will be any informative was coming from our channel so please like and subscribe our channel guys that's the very informative for you I think please like and subscribe this channel that's for my respect that's for my respect guys I'm told you that's only for my respect you can do this Please complete the live target, guys. They have a kind of no level, so we are waiting for this. You'll be understand how to trade that, so it's the good. So you want this strategy, guys. You told about your bias for that time. I could see you told about your bias already. I'm stuck pulling the start. You told about your bias. You can see this for the very special will be created. That's the good selling candle will be print right now, right here. You can see this. You can see this candle. You can see this. That's oh gee. Coming to this area because that's now the liquidity also has so price was more falling up to this area and it's the going for this upside, so that's we are going for our buying side setup. Otherwise the market was the potential for the going to downside more. Okay, so I'm waiting for this our same plan that's the happened, and this time this the same thing will be happened, so we are going. Otherwise I will just watch the market today, don't trade, because already today is the Tuesday. That's our order block already tapped right now, right here. The price after closing our this trend line, so definitely we have trade. Okay. You can see this. The price was closing is very good. You can see this at this time. The price was closing is very good at this time. So that's the good opportunity for you. So that's the gap will be here. So price was some fail this the gap. So we are entry about this zone. I'm told you again. Okay. So where price was some induce this gap. So that we are going with the 35 pips reach with this trade. Okay. For my target is that this is my target level. That's the trade was creating the 1 is to 5. So it's the happen. So we are trade, otherwise we are doing trade. Okay. Because that's a very risky we are for that. I think it's the some reversal for the pullback because the price was gapping the edges. So this price come to the downside first. The 5 minute candle closing in some minutes. So it's a good tap the order block zone. Good candle. 5 minute engulfing candle will be print here. So good price was closing and it is some pullback for this the fill the FBGs. That's the zone is that now here. That's I want the price fill this the zone. Price fill this the zone. Otherwise that the some big risks will be here. The 15 big risks will be here also for this trade. and that's the one is to feel like this. But it's moving. I don't do anything, guys. I'm told you. So you can see this, guys. That's the same thing will be happening here. The same thing, and price was rejected from this zone. Oh, it's the very firstly moving. That's the tap and going. Well, not entries. I have no entry at this time, guys. Price was moving very fast. It's moving very fast. I have no entry at this time. Good, good. Come on, price. Good, good for this. It's happening good. Is it now our level? So we are not entry for our good, I think, guys. So we are taken on this, okay? We are taken on this. Right, some risks. We have entries, guys. I'm entering about this area, and that's my risks about this candle lows. We are going with this only. That's the same risks I have taken, and my target for this the highest, equal highest. This highest is my target. A simple plan. I will be inferring it will be respected. So fill the gap price. That's the price was filling this gap. So they are able to put entry zone. So I am entries and I will be risking the 15 pips. The price was that's my 1 is to 3 will be is that, and I think that's the 1 is to. So this equal high that is my 1 is to 3. First I am going with this. Okay, I'm entering, guys. I'm entry. It's about this area. I take this trade. It's not this candle low is my the lyrics about this. It's fucking, guys. The 15 pips we are down in a day. Our first trade was 15 pips gone. We are wait patiently. We are waiting for this. We are going with the same things. We are initiate the same thing first, so it's a good for that. But I am wait for the filling the gap. Price was not fill this gap. So it's I will accept my loss. That's the 15 pips SL on a day. It's called stop fund. I do not nothing to do anything here. I accept this loss. I know that that's the thing, guys. The price was sell up from this area. So we have another zone is that we're waiting for this. Price was falling is the big falling when you come from here because that's the zone is that the playing already on this time. So that's why it will be bleach. That's the liquidity. Market sweep is the liquidity zone. Ah, other price was again coming to this area. That's the actually liquidity. So market sweep is the liquidity. Understand? And price was goes up to price was closing above this the trade line. So we are thinking for a good entries. Okay, because that's the 1 minute which will be here. Otherwise, the price was the selling for this area. Fifty pips loss on this stream. Yeah, I have a news here today. Like, no one need news here. So that's the zone is only we are buying at this the closing price was coming at this area. Price coming at this area close above this zone. So we are going for this trade like this. Otherwise, we have a no level up to this zone for the buying. But I'm not going with any kind of selling entries about the gold because that's a very fucking things doing in the gold. I'm do this. That's a very wrong thing will be I have. So I'm waiting for that our only good buying bias. And not it is that there is short retreat. I know the price was selling up this zone. The price was in the selling mode, but I am going with the gold reversal mode. So that's why I take it. I know that's a very risky, but I will take my risks because I have just one risk will be doable. And my actually gold HDF bias is the high time frame bias is the very bullish. So I'm going with this guys. Understand that. So I'm going with this. Sorry guys. I'm told you one thing today. I have some emergency work for this time, so I think I'm told you this level actually is that. So price was closing about this the trend line with the bullish candle, so you definitely go with this candle, okay? And I'm just turn off my stream because I have some work, no emergency working. I have some emergency issues. So please, interested content will be here. So you will definitely comment the this live section below. We want this strategy, so definitely I have separate video for we made for you. And that's the I'm going today. I'm some work, guys. Okay. and that's the zone. You definitely trade about this. That's the closing about this with a very bullish candle. You surely trade about this zone, and that's the zone also that. So it's the closing with this. That's the 5 minute concho which is that. So you definitely trade about this the buying side entries, and it's the good is. So it is your good for that. Other price was induced up to this area, so you price was create a good candle about this zone, so you will definitely trade about this area. Thank you guys. I'm coming yesterday. I'm coming the tomorrow morning London session. Okay guys. Thank you so much watching for this stream.